We're going to do a brief video on Sofi Stock News Today, and we've got a one-day chart up here, a daily chart I should say, of Sofi Technologies. It's got a 5-day, a 20-day, and a 200-day moving average. That's green, red, and blue. Blue's the 200-day moving average. And we're going to take a quick look at this and see what's going on with this stock today. The volume is ridiculously high today, and thought we'd do a quick video on it. The volume's 84 million shares today versus an average of 37 million. So let's take a look and see what's going on with it. We have here, this blue line's a 200-day moving average. We can see we had huge, essentially what now can be looked at in the rearview mirror as distribution. They're going up and down here roughly on the $19 level, just going back and forth distributing this stock, and that happened all the way from February 21 to about November of 21. We then broke down below the 200-day moving average, and you can see we've had a continuous bear market ever since then. That happened right around December 21, and we are now here at August of 22. So let's take a little bit expanded look at this. You can see we broke down here below the 200-day moving average, was confirmed with both the 5 and the 20, and so we just did not get very good respect of the 20-day moving average. We would have expected that to be up a little bit from these highs, and it wasn't, but still definitely was in a serious downtrend all the way from about 17 to a low of about $5, $4 and change. So the stock was sold off pretty heavy after it distributed. This down here, this roughly oscillating around the $6 level, was looked to me like they were putting in some accumulation. You'll notice we had a bottom here at $4.82, and then we kind of stayed above that pretty much, and our 20-day moving average went kind of flat. So essentially we're having a convergence of our 20-day moving average start to turn up, and this 200-day moving average turning down enough to where we can test it, and that's what this stock looks like it's getting ready to do. We're probably going to get a test in this range here, this 9 to maybe 10, but I doubt it, right around this $9 area. Today we're trading in this stock at around $6.39 right this second as I look at it. So we're probably going to get a test around this $9 area. This is all for entertainment purposes only, all my opinion, but it looks like we may get a test here. Logically, we would get a test of around $9. Keep in mind the stock could break down and go even lower than its previous low in the 4s, but if it trades like a normal stock, and it looks like it's beginning to, probably going to get a test up in this range of $9 or so around the first or second week of September. That'd be my best guess right now. Let's take a look at this and see if RBAM Research covers this stock. I do not think it does. Let's take a look here. SOFI is the ticker, and we do not cover it. So RBAM Research puts out algorithmically generated prices every day, Monday through Friday, and that's what these are. Let's take a look down here and see what's going on. It looks like, got to get back here. So this is the stocks, 190 plus stocks we covered. These are for today, the 24th. They come out every day, Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. You can see we have 1-day, 5-day, and 20-day hold periods, and they're on this particular sheet, they're longs only. We're coming out shortly with some longs and some shorts, but we haven't put them on the market yet. You can see if we were to look at Apple today, Apple has 3 prices on here for buy: 165 and change, 166 and change, and 166 and change. So basically how this works is if you bought it today, you'd close it out worst case at the end of trading tomorrow at a loss or take a profit sooner. Same thing with the 5-day, same thing with the 20. If you bought the 20, you'd buy it today, close out worst case 20 days, 20 trading days, not calendar days, at a loss, or take your profit sooner if you got it. These are always for entertainment purposes only. You never rely on these for anything other than entertainment. Just points to take a look at and compare them to your own analysis. You have to use your own analysis before you enter any of these stocks. Again, these are all just for entertainment. But that's where we are right now. If you want to take a look at these every morning before 7 a.m., they're absolutely free. Just go to rbamresearch.com, no credit card required. You can subscribe and get 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the major futures, or the most liquid futures contracts. Everything is longs and shorts except for stocks. The stocks right now are longs only. Again, all by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday, rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. You can go there and sign up, absolutely free, no credit card required. The like button is there to be hit. If you're so kind to hit it, appreciate it if you would. It helps our algorithms. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have a way to make these videos better for us, any comments, please leave them in the comments section below. We'd appreciate it. And keep in mind, everything you've heard or seen on here is for entertainment purposes only. It's all opinion only, and you definitely trade at your own risk.